Hi, this is Dr. Sosa from the Sosa Clinic again. Today I want to tell you about one of my favorite topics, which is about calories and the importance of calories. So I don't only tell you this because of my experience as a bariatric surgeon with all that I've learned in medical school. I tell you this because I have lived it. I have suffered through this. My obesity was out of control and I learned how to manage it and deal with it on a long-term basis. So here's my motto. It's the calories, stupid. And this is a flashback to when Bill Clinton was running for president. He kept telling everyone, it's the economy, stupid. He didn't mean he was stupid or his staff was stupid or his supporters are stupid. He meant every time we think about this campaign, let's think about the importance, it's about the economy. So my motto is, it's the calories, stupid. Because it really is about the calories. Weight loss control, long-term health is about the calories. When you look at different diets, be it Mediterranean, Atkins, keto diet, the bottom line of them all is about the calories. Some will make you less hungry, some will make you more hungry, but the bottom line, it's about the calories. So it's the calories, stupid. We are a chemical factory. Your body does not care if you give it 3,000 calories of ice cream, 3,000 calories of steak, or 3,000 calories of pasta. To your body, 3,000 calories is 3,000 calories, which by the way is too many calories and you're going to store fat if you eat that many calories. So when you're combating obesity, you have to think about the calories. And I tell folks, if you do a cookie diet where you eat 800 calories and you do a steak diet where you're going to eat 800 calories, you're going to lose the same amount of weight because it is about the calories. Now, without a doubt, 800 calories of steak fills you more, makes your satiety go up, makes you less hungry. 800 calories of cookie leaves you wanting to go for the ice cream. So there is a difference in how they make you feel, but at the end of the day, it's the calories, stupid. The caloric needs of our body really depends on our age, our height, our muscle volume, but in general terms, if you need to lose significant amount of weight, you need to get your daily calorie count down to about 1,000 to 800. If you want to keep more or less the same weight, you can do around 2,000, 2,400. But for most folks, unless you're very muscular, very big, if you're doing 3,000 or more calories a day, you're going to gain weight. The flip side of that, how efficient a diet is. In other words, how fast do you lose weight? Well, it's about the calories, stupid. If you do a really strict diet where you're doing 800 calories a day, you're going to lose weight quickly. Now, to get there, you may require medication, you may require intensive psychological help, maybe doctor supervision, but the bottom line is if you can do a calorie count that low, you're going to lose weight rapidly. And most of the successful rapid weight loss diets take you to the range of about 500-800 calories. A much smaller gradual weight loss will be obtained with about 1,000, 1,200 calories. And for some folks, that's a better approach because you don't want to be as hungry, you don't want to be as radical. But at the end of the day, when we're talking about long weight control, weight loss, etc., it's the calorie, stupid. So you must learn how to calorie count. Because although portion control helps decrease the calories, what you really need to know is how many calories should I eat, how many calories did I eat, how many calories am I going to eat. It takes work, but that's the way to succeed. It's the calories, stupid.